We got the Witch Doctor and Trinidad coming through on the Lincoln. This one just has a little green display. It's hard to get it in a little bit, but it kind of looks like the HTX with the green display on it. But yeah, this is cool. Conditions aren't good enough for me to talk, but this is good enough. Been busy. I got some other ones I got to get up on the board here. Of course, this is just a quick preview. You know, one of those Emperors with the box. Got the Northstar and that Jackson. And I've gone through here. That's the one I talked to UK on. But slowly but surely getting these things for sale. Let's get to the next one. And now here is the President version of the HR-2510. So yeah, pretty much the same layout. We lost the RF control here. That's now RF gain. So this is straight out of I think I got this in like 2000, to be quite honest. I think when I first moved to South Carolina, I found one of these in the swap sheet. Do you remember those back in the day? We go through, just be classified as a swap sheet. Craigslist kind of took over that, but yeah, I remember traveling like 40 miles to get this. And this thing has been sitting in the box. It's kind of bumped up a little bit. See, yeah, this thing's been with me, well, 22 years now. Jeez, I can't believe it's been that long with this thing. I'm going to go ahead and power this up. The other one. Okay. Oh. Yes, this has the chip switch. This has the chip switch in it. Let me go ahead. Oh. Yeah, let me see if I can remember. I think it's band. Yep, there it is, band. But yeah, this has a chip switch in it, so it basically replaced that CPU in here. Oh no, I can't move. Oh yeah, because I have F-lock. Okay, there we go. But yeah, 24.8, 29,990. And man, oh man, I can't believe I got the chip switch in here. There actually is a password somewhere. And Roger Bird, the kings of these radio, Roger Bird, and oh yes, I do have it. Doc's Radio Repair, chip switch owner's manual. I do have it. Good. But yeah, Doc's Radio Repair in Buffalo, New York, and Roger Bird were the people to talk to about these. And man, I got the chip switch in here already. So let's band 0 is VFO. Yeah, and this changes everything on these. 4 is CB still, so we can use our channels. Let's see if we can get anybody on the lower side here. We're on the lower side. I think conditions may have completely dropped out though. Witch Doctor was coming in earlier. I wonder. Alright, let's see here. If we go there. Has this been broadbanded? Because 12 meters was always audio check. 1, 2. Oops. Yeah, so audio check on that worked. So that's cool. Oh yeah, I wasn't even hooked up properly. I'm still on the dummy load. No wonder. So it does explain why I have this, because yeah, my first 2510, because originally from Buffalo, I did get from Doc's Radio Repair, and then I remember, look at that, I have, in my infinite wisdom, thankfully I remembered, what is going on in here? Everything fall, oh no. Thank you, Eric, from 20 years ago, a whole bag of zip ties, the mini zip ties I was looking for. Thanks, Eric, from 20 years ago. So this is the well, it's the MCU board. It doesn't have screws in it. Eric, at least you kept it in a, oh god, what kind of, oh yeah, this was from this radio. Okay, well, jeez. So yeah, you can see that glue corroded a couple pieces here. But yeah, that's the MCU board here. Ooh, let me flip it around. We're upside down. But yeah, there it is. The UC-250. God, look at that glue. See, I told you all about that glue before. There it is. I don't think this one. Oh yeah, that one's been modified as well. You can do it that way, or you can jump it off this little bank of resistors right here, because there's actually a spot for it. I think it's this side. Yeah. Anyway, I guess this has been modified too. I was going to say this is somewhat unmolested board, but it's not. So, all right, I'll be back. Now that I'm racking my brain from 22 years ago, yeah, this actually is my dock HR-2510. So that's cool. I do remember I had another one that I bought, and actually that's the one I lost in the roommate, and that one had a chip switch in it as well. But I'm probably going to take this chip switch out, put this actual board back in. Functionality is pretty similar. You can't do a lot of the chip switch features, such as the repeater offset, since you need the CTCSS tone board. Eric, you'll never say that, right? But yeah, those repeaters and everything like that, kind of these features when this unit came out, as kind of obsolete now, but it's still a beautiful unit. And when it's modified, even this way, this you lose 12 meters, but you end up having CB radio, which is kind of very cool that you could have it all put into one little package. But yeah, this is memory lane for me, man. Holy cow. Well, I'll see you in the next one. Got more to get through, going through the presidential series, that Grant saw too. Yeah, man, these radios, man, they were great for me at the time, but I no longer need to hold on to some of these time capsules. I've had it this long, why don't I keep it forever? But yeah, it's been sitting around, not getting used. What's the point in that, man? That's abuse. That's radio abuse. Well, I'll see you in the next video. I do appreciate y'all, and yeah, we'll keep going through some of this stuff. I got a whole bunch more. It's almost embarrassing. This is a CB radio version of Hoarders, I guess. Let's see which ones I can pull out next. All right, I'll see you in the next 173.